Hello, welcome to Invictus Porsche. We have with us a Porsche 911 991 Carrera. This is the base Carrera with a 3.6 litre engine, but there's nothing base about this because it still produces 344 brake horsepower. But it's the colour that completely sort of grabs your attention. It's an Aqua Blue Metallic, and currently there isn't another 911 with this colour out there in the market. The Porsche 991 is the internal designation for the 7th generation Porsche 911 sports car. It was unveiled at the Frankfurt Motor Show in 2011 as a replacement to the 997. The 991 is slightly larger, with the wheelbase increased by 100 millimeters and the overall length by 70 millimeters. A new transaxle was developed so that the rear wheels could be moved 76 millimeters backward in relation to the position of the engine, which significantly improves the weight distribution and cornering performance of the car. Exterior spec. Well, I've said it is an absolutely stunning car. I took it up for a little test drive yesterday and someone flashed at me because I think they found this color to be absolutely gorgeous. It comes with 20-inch Carrera S Alloys. In terms of performance, this produces 344 brake horsepower through this 3.6 litre naturally aspirated flat-6 engine. The torque is 390 Newton meters of torque. The top speed is 177 miles per hour. The 0 to 62 is possible in 4.8 seconds. And the economy from an MPG point of view is between 34 to 42, which is extremely economical considering it's a Porsche 911. Now let's get onto the inside to talk about the inside spec. On the inside you've got the 14-way electrically adjustable seats, which are also heated with lumbar support. You get 2 keys which you can program to the vehicle. Here you've got the smooth leather steering wheel with the function of it being able to heat itself, which is absolutely superb for the winter. The vehicle has done about 37,000 miles and it literally drives as if it's just rolled off the production line, so it's in absolutely phenomenal condition. Also, the steering wheel is a multifunctional steering wheel, and here on the central console you find the gear select lever around leather and chrome that sort of exudes good quality material throughout. Also, the entertainment system have DAB radio, European navigation, and also buttons to be able to have dual climate control, as well as separate buttons for the heated seats as you would need. Down at the bottom on the center console you've got the sports button, the traction control off, and the button for the spoiler to be lifted up or down. What I love about the 911s is the amount of space that you get at the back. I'm someone that is 5'9" and I'm able to get in at the back with a fair bit of ease. I don't think I can stay at the back for probably longer than an hour and 20 minutes, but that is credit to how well these 911s are made. And how well they're made is, I love the fact that it's got Alcantara Rooflining, and that's also, you know, all the way on these B-pillars, and the extended leather starting all the way from the front of the dash all the way here to the back, and anywhere from the back of these seats is carpeted in leather, and everything is done to a millimeter of perfections. And I don't think there's much one could say negatively about a 911, considering how well they hold its value and how they appreciate in value over time. Well, how does it drive? It drives absolutely phenomenal. I mean, should you want it to just drive along and sort of cruise along and just have a nice comfortable journey in it, the 991 is perfect for that. But should you want to drive it in a more driver focused mode, you press that sports button, let it rumble a little bit. Just wow. that sound from the naturally aspirated flat six is absolutely phenomenal. It's instantly recognizable, and it's a sound from heaven. I mean, it generally brings me to tears every time I sit in a 911 that sounds like this, because it carries on giving, both from a power, from a speed point of view, and it's consistent. It's all the way through. From a cornering handling point of view, it goes seamlessly around corners. I mean, at no point do you feel that the back will go. Never. It's just so precise, and it handles perfectly exactly how you want it to handle. I mean, you put it around, you know, on that line on the left, it will hold to that line on the left. You want it a little bit to the center line, it will hold to the center line. It will do exactly as you instruct it to do. And I don't think there are many cars out there built like a Porsche 911. And the 991, in my view, is probably the last of the real 911s, because it's the last time they've done a truly naturally aspirated flat six engine, because after this, the Gen 2 991s were turbocharged. From an owner's history point of view, this Porsche has 3 owners from new. The third owner had it from February 2014 up until recently when it came into our possession. So he's had it for just over 7 years. It's been fairly well looked after, and the number of owners are rather low for its age. Additionally, it's got a full main dealer service history where it has 4 stamps in the service book, and it's been stamped as per the manufacturer's recommendation and serviced as per the manufacturer's recommendation. The last time it was serviced was at 31,000 miles in February 2020, and the next service would be due 20,000 from 31,000 miles, all 2 years from February 2020, meaning that the next service would be due in February 2022. So overall, it's got a very good number of owners and a very good service history, and I don't think one can do better than this from both an owner's and a service history point of view. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. I hope you've enjoyed that bit of history of how the 991 came into fruition, and just, you know, a bit of the description of what is sort of special about this 911. Whether you're looking to buy a Porsche or whether you're looking to sell a Porsche, feel free to reach out to us. Happy to give you an evaluation, or happy to give you a bit of advice whether you want to buy one from us or one from somewhere else.